Hi Ray, just going through the changes for the Scenic Gems ad. So I'll start on the mobile size. Could we, the gap that's here, can we put the same gap in there? That's all that's required there. Everything else is fine. When I get to here, could the gap that's here be reduced by half? And once that's done, could this size gap be the same here? At the moment, this size here is a little bit bigger than there, it would seem. So reduce this by half, and then what size that is, make it the same there. I think that would be it for there. And then the last thing, you can see it a little bit here, that the tick is dropped down a little bit. It's not in line with the line, all of the ticks, and it becomes more apparent when we go to desktop. You can see there that the tick is a little bit low. It just needs to come up a little bit. So, yep, that's it. Over to you. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.